Hey everyone! Today, we're going to learn how to develop a concept for your school's Dance Live performance. Are you ready to get creative? Let's go! Your concept is the story you tell through your Dance Live performance. It should have a beginning, a middle, and an end. And the audience and judges should be able to see the concept clearly the whole way through your performance. The audience should be able to see it through all elements of your performance. This includes the LED screen, costumes, lighting, soundtrack, and choreography. First, let's talk about ideas and inspiration. Look around you. Past events, different ideas, and even your favourite stories can help you create something new and exciting. Remember, there's no limit to your imagination. There is one important rule to keep in mind. If your concept is inspired on a real-life event, your narrative must be based in fact. Fact! Next, it's time to get creative. Think about cool ideas for your dance performance. What story do you want to tell? What emotions do you want to express? Let your creativity flow. Planning is super important. Use something called storyboarding, which is like drawing a comic strip, to plan out your Dance Live scenes and overall performance. This will help you visualize your ideas and make sure everything flows smoothly. You may also want to use planning tools such as mind mapping, mood boards, or timelines. The audience should be able to see your concept through all elements of your performance. This includes the LED screen, costumes, lighting, soundtrack, and choreography. It should also be complemented by interacting with the LED screen with any props and choreography. When developing your concept, decide whether you want to talk about many things a little bit or focus on one thing in a lot of detail. Sometimes focusing on one idea can make your performance more interesting. It's important to make sure your audience feels connected and involved in your performance. Think about how you can make them feel the emotions you're expressing through your dance. Throughout your concept development process, you should always consider, are my ideas appropriate for a family-friendly audience? Do my ideas allow me to interact with the LED screen? Is my concept easy to understand in a 7-minute performance? You want your audience to enjoy your performance without having to know a lot about the topic beforehand. And that's it! Now you know how to develop a concept for a Dance Live performance. Remember to be creative, plan well, and have fun. We can't wait to see it on the big stage.